that was easily a ton of rock that I just moved in a matter of minutes. You guys are literally losing money by not having an articulating loader for doing your landscape jobs. Well, today I want to talk to everybody about why wouldn't you own a articulating loader for landscaping, tree work, some construction, zero turf damage. You don't have to think about making turns, getting into tight areas and scuffing up the turf versus stand-on skid steer. Also a benefit, like with cast loaders, this thing is used and abused. It's a 2017 with over 1,200 hours on it. Nice thing about cast loaders, full steel. Do that with one of these articulating loaders that have plastic on them. Raise your hand if you have a skid steer that has plastic covers on them. It just doesn't make sense. Also want to talk to everybody about this job that we're using this machine for. We're moving 3 to 6 inch dresser trap rock. We're going to show you how easy this is with using an articulating loader. Well, that was easily a ton of rock that I just moved in a matter of minutes. You guys are literally losing money by not having an articulating loader for doing your landscape jobs. For example, this is just our basic entry-level model machine, and it's moving this trap rock like it's nothing. And this is probably one of the harder rocks to spread by hand. You almost literally have to pick up each piece of hand by hand and place it, because it's a little bit heavy for garden rakes to move. So I don't know, we'll just keep on continuing. We'll move some more rock over here.